In this video, I will show you how to stream music via your WIDEX MOMENT hearing aids using an iPhone. With WIDEX MOMENT direct streaming hearing aids, you can stream music from any external app directly via your hearing aids. If your hearing aids are already connected, your iPhone will automatically stream to the hearing aids. If you want to make sure that your hearing aids are connected to your iPhone, click on Settings, then the Accessibility menu, and select Hearing Devices. Your hearing aids are shown under MFI Hearing Aids as connected. How to stream music. Open the app you want to use for streaming music and start playing. You can now hear the music via your hearing aids. If the music is not streamed via your hearing aids, slide open the control panel and click on the top right square for audio. The connected options will be displayed, for example, My Hearing Aids, iPhone, or Speaker. Choose My Hearing Aids. If you want to adjust the sound, open the Moment app. Here you have some different options. Click on the Streaming Music program icon. This simple step will improve the music sound immediately. You can also click on the slider icon on the right-hand side of the volume slider. Choose between Sound Mixer, adjusts what input source the hearing aids focus on, surrounding sounds, or stream sound. Left and right volume, adjust the sound on the left or right hearing aid separately. Or the Equalizer, adjust bass, middle or treble sounds, or choose one of the presets. Enjoy your music and thank you for choosing Widex.